Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add low stock alert on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, let's head over and click on our apps right here. And click on this all recommended apps. Now from in there, scroll and click on the Shopify App Store. Once you have clicked on that, it will open a new page right here, which is your Shopify App Store. So just search in here for merch piece. So I will search for this merch piece right here. Now let's head over and search for that. Now, once it's loaded, we should be able to see the app that we're looking for. So you can see this merge B, low stock alert, and forecast. So head over and click on this one. As you can see, they have the free plan available. So click on this install right here. Then this will open a new page wherein it will ask you for permission in order to install this. So in here, let's just wait for this right here and install this. And now it will install itself. So let's just wait for a while. So now this is what it looks like. So you can choose which plan is for you. For me, I'll just choose this free plan for now. Click on start free plan. And then in here, it will show you this page right here where you can create alert using advanced filters. So let's head over and click on create. Or you can also just use this right here. Click on create right here. And then we just need to define the scope. So for now, let's head over and compare the stock behind the product inventory. But as you can see, this one is only available if you have a paid plan. So I highly recommend you to make a paid plan right there. So for the location, just choose all location and then click on advanced filter. And include this filter right here, include products on your home page and all of this pages right here, as well as on the products only. So let's select all of this. And other variants, let's select all as well, and all the SKUs as well. So also on this right here, select all is here as well, and all the products in here as well. Now you have here the exclude filters. If you're trying to use this for all your products, you don't need this one. But if you have a product that you want to be excluded, just choose this one right there. Now in here, we have here the inclusions. And now this is what it looks like. So you can just search the items based on your selection search right here. And then once you have done that, you should have over click on next step. So for example, let's name this low stock alert. And now once you have named this low stock alert, we should be able to see all of these things right here. Just need to choose minimum stock threshold. Like for example, if it reached 3 stocks only available, it will show an alert to your actual Shopify. So the minimum threshold is 5, while the maximum is up to your order level. So head over and click on next step. And we have this frequency scheduling. It can be per week or per month. You can run the alert on the following days. So for me, I'll run it every day. That way, whenever I will go out of stock, it will show right this, as well as the runtime right here, and click on next step. Now the notification detail can be notified to your email, and you just need to put in here your email, as well as the email subject is a low stock attachment. You can also enable this one, as well as the inventory quantity low to high. And for this one, once you have done it, head over and submit it. So for me, I'll just first add in here my email. And then once you have added your email, you can head over and then submit it now. Click on submit. So once you have clicked on submit, you should be able to see this one. So in here, you need to actually upgrade your account if you want to add more alerts. So once you have done that, it should be ready to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.